So a few, like, I don't know, maybe a month ago, I purchased a Molle panel to put onto my truck. Took a while for this to come here. I originally ordered 2 and then I realized I don't really need to, so I canceled one and just got the one. It was coming basically from the States, so it took a while. Let me open it up and show you what it is. It's just the packaging right here. See how I can open this? It's like stapled shut as well with like industrial staples. How am I going to open this? This is basically what I got. It's very similar to the Rego panel, but I found Victory as well, which was slightly cheaper. I'm assuming this is all the hardware. Opening it with one hand, not as easy as it seems. Oh, there we go. This is the bracket. The tools that you need. Stickers and stuff. There you go. More of the brackets. But yeah, this is basically all the parts that you get. Powder coated, matte black, steel. So it didn't come with instructions, but that's easily downloadable on their website. So I'm not too worried. I looked through it. It's very simple. It comes with photo instructions as well. So you really can't screw up, but we'll find out. The thing is, I can't put this on my truck yet until I get back. I'm actually headed to Hawaii tomorrow, so this will have to wait. I'm very excited because I've been waiting for this since like before the past long weekend in August. So I've been waiting since July for this to arrive, and it's now almost the end of August. This is interchangeable, so you can either have it put up this way on your back rear window, or you can have it the other way, this way. I might put it on the passenger side. I was going to put it on the driver's side, but then I realized there's probably so much weight on that side. My awning is on my driver's side, so I figured balance wise I kind of want to put it on the opposite side, so I'll do that instead. I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested to see it. It is fairly similar to the Rego. The only reason why I didn't go for the Rego, both are really good, is that you can still utilize the hooks. That's basically it. That's pretty much what sold me. Yeah, I can't wait to install this, and I'll do a video of that probably in the next clip, because by then I'll already be back from Hawaii. So let's go to that right now. All right, so I literally just came back from Hawaii yesterday at midnight, and I decided it's like past 12 p.m. right now because I literally slept in until 10:30. Anyways, just gotta wait for this truck to pass. So I figured I would try to install the Victory 4x4 Molle panel right now. So you basically just need a Phillips screwdriver, a 532 Allen key, pry tools, and this is obviously the hardware they give you, and the 3 brackets and the panel. So I'm gonna put it right there. I was originally intending on putting it here on the driver's side, but because I have my awning above right here, I kind of want to balance it out and just have something right here. The instructions are online, so you can download that on their website, which I'll leave down below if you are interested in installing this or getting one for yourself. I'm just gonna look at it on my iPad. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is remove the rear cargo net hook. So all you have to do is basically rotate it and then pull it straight out like that. See? Easy. And then you need to remove the screw that's inside right there with a Phillips screwdriver. The next step is to loosely install the rear bracket, which is this one, with an M6 button head and spacer. Just place that in there like so. And then you want to take this piece and loosely install it into this portion right here that you just did. You want to go ahead and install this portion like this. You want to make sure you keep this because eventually you want to pop this back into here so you can reuse your cargo hook. The next step is to pry this part off and then take away the screw that's in there. There's a little notch right here that you can actually use your pry tool or your flathead screwdriver to pop it off. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go, it pops right off. And then inside there's another screw in there that you need your Phillips to take off. So let's go ahead and do that next. Once you got it loose, there you go. Remove this piece, put that aside. And now you're left with this. The next step is to take your next bracket and basically do the same as what you did for this one. The M6 button head and spacer right here through this hole. Just through this. Like so. And then you want to place this part loosely and install it through this hole right here. And now the next part is to pull off this part. So you want to pop the cover off of the hanger hook with a pry tool and remove the screw. So you can remove this part off. So let's go ahead and do that. So all you have to do is pull this part out, like so. And like the last two, we just need to remove this screw right here. And obviously you cannot use a Phillips screwdriver for this, so I'm just gonna have to find a wrench, a little wrench to take this off. So I'm just gonna use my socket wrench. Here we go. There we go. Put that here. Then once you got that screw off, you want to pull this out. And then you want to take the last bracket and place this piece through here, like so, and then just reattach it right here. So that way you can utilize the hook. And it looks like this. And then you want to clip this back into place, like that. Now that everything is loosely, these two are loosely installed and this is basically placed, I want to then mount this against here. And to do that, I would need to hang the panel using the 2 1/4-inch button head bolts and flange nuts. Basically, I'll be screwing the top of these 2 holes into the 2 holes right here. So I got those in there. Now I need to use the flange nuts on the back to screw it in. Alright, so now that is securely placed in with my socket wrench and Allen key. Now I gotta loosely put these in as well, like so. And this right here, like that, and then tighten those screws. Alright, so everything is secured on. All that's left is to reattach this cargo net clip. It just clips on like that. I still have the use of this cargo net for here and my hook. And that's it. That's basically the whole installation of the Victory 4x4 Molle panel. And you're left with 2 screws, which I guess are spares because obviously can't really utilize them anywhere. I'm going to keep the original hardware. This is what we took out from here. And obviously this is the panel that we pried off from here. And this was the one that was inside it, I think. I was going to keep that all back in the bag here. So I have all the original mounting hardware and the spares. But yeah, pretty sturdy. It's great. I like it. This is what it looks like in the rear view. Right there, see? Doesn't obstruct the view at all. Barely even notice it. At least until I attach stuff onto it, but you still have the whole view out of the rear view window right there. It's perfect. Thanks, Victory 4x4. Let me know if you find that installation helpful at all. And if you have a Rego Molle panel, how do you like it? How does it compare? I know for some people, some of them went for the Victory 4x4 panel because you were able to utilize the hooks still, whereas the Rego one, I believe you aren't able to, which is the reason why I decided to go for the Victory 4x4 one, because you were able to use their cargo hooks and everything. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye. So just to give you an idea of what I did, this is pretty much what I have so far. I'll probably add like a flashlight or something because I have like a bunch of space I can still utilize. But so far, that is what I have. And just to see what it looks like through my rear view mirror. Can't really notice it that much. You can see a little bit of the med bag, but yeah, still can see the whole entirety of my back window. I'm pretty happy with this.